Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be comparing the Wi-Fi signal speed test between the Poco X3 versus the Realme X7 smartphone. The Poco X3 is a mid-range segment mobile phone, and whereas the Realme X7 Pro is a premium end smartphone which has a Dimensity 1000 plus processor, as you can see here. So right now, by the time I'm making this video, the phone not yet launched in India. So in this video, I'll be just comparing the Wi-Fi signal strength, and also I'll try to include what are the features, extra benefits you are getting in the Realme X7 Pro device. So because there are so many other advantages in this kind of Wi-Fi connectivity in the Realme phones particularly. So right now in this video, I'll try to focus differentiate what are the features and how is the signal strength in the premium end smartphone versus the mid-range segment mobile phone. And even this kind of signal strength is also found in the mid-range segment Realme phones. So this is the one thing about the Realme phones, the connectivity of the Wi-Fi connection is very stable and very good, and which has plenty of features. And in this video we'll be getting through the list what are the extra benefits. And in case if you want to download this live wallpaper and the punch hole wallpaper, try to check the links in description for the playlist of smartphones and even for wallpaper as well. So you can find so many videos which are already uploaded on this Realme X7 Pro, so which will be really interesting for you all to know more details about this device, so you can decide whether to buy this phone or not. So first is that let me try to quickly open the Wi-Fi connectivity settings here. So when you're in the Wi-Fi connection in the Poco X3, so you will be welcoming with the normal screen, which is already found in most of the smartphones. So there is nothing special in the Poco X3 device. It's a very basic, and there is not even so many features is found at the home page, as you can see here. There's nothing. So just there's connected Wi-Fi networks, and there's a couple of other networks which are detected. So next, if you go to the Wi-Fi assistant, you will have your option to select the best network. So if you are having the two Wi-Fi connectivity networks which are connected, so if the one of the Wi-Fi is better, then it will try to shift between the Wi-Fi connectivity. That is a smart intelligent Wi-Fi connection which is found in other smartphones as well. That's a very good thing. And adjusting the traffic mode, in case if you want to use this kind of mode, there's this kind of available mode, traffic mode, as you can see, prioritizing the intelligently. So background downloading states the internet resources with the current applications. So if you enable this, so if you want to use extreme mode or the regular mode, so these are the features it does include in the Poco X3. One Wi-Fi assistant, automatically connecting the Wi-Fi and traffic mode adjustment, two features which are got added here. So apart from that, there is nothing much special about this Wi-Fi connectivity in the Poco X3 device. So now let me open the Realme X7 Pro. This is a Realme X7 Pro. So as soon as you see the first glance, you will be welcoming with so many options which are present here. So number one thing is a scanning option. So you can scan the Wi-Fi connections from the different Wi-Fi providers. As you can see here, you can directly scan and you can connect to the Wi-Fi network. So that's a very good thing. The scanning option is present directly here, and there's a Wi-Fi assistant as well. So same thing is found in the Poco X3, also automatically adjusting the Wi-Fi connection. And here we do have option to switch to the mobile data, so which is not present here. This will be selecting only the Wi-Fi connection. But in the settings it also mentioned that the Wi-Fi connection, if it is poor, it will automatically switch to the mobile data connection as well. It did mention in the settings here, it's kind of features. So in the Realme phones, you do have this kind of option where you can enable or disable that kind of option if you want. And next is one tap public Wi-Fi connection, avoiding the trouble of password input and SMS, as you can see here. So next is a dual Wi-Fi connection. So in the dual Wi-Fi connection, you can connect two Wi-Fi networks at same time, and you can speed up the download or browsing or internet speed in your device. That's a really useful feature which I did particularly use in most of the Realme phones. So for example, here is a Realme X2 Pro device. So this is a Realme X2 Pro, so which has the same kind of functionality, dual Wi-Fi connection. So these are the list of applications which are actually supported with the dual Wi-Fi connection. So as soon as you tap the speed up now process, so it should automatically connect two Wi-Fi networks at the same time. And in the notification panel, you will see this kind of option, dual Wi-Fi connection, as you can see here. So this will speed up the lot of internet speed, and this will be very useful when you're watching movies or browsing internet, and this will speed up. And one thing is that sometimes there will be an error which will be displaying, so connectivity error, so you need to multiple times you need to try keep on speeding up, so then it will automatically connect. But overall this works pretty good and very useful feature, particularly I like in this Realme phones. So, and next is a smart network allocation, which is also we see in, I think, a smart allocation of the network bandwidth, where the current apps are given the priority for the network use. The same kind of thing I think is present in this Poco X3 as well. So which is a traffic mode, and here we got smart network allocation. So most of the things are same, but only the addition of having the dual Wi-Fi connectivity is quite useful right now. So you can clearly see the two Wi-Fi connections are connected in this Realme X7 Pro device, as you can see, friends, clearly. And when I tap in this kind of connection, you can even get the Wi-Fi QR code if you want. You can show the QR code to the others mobile phones as well. And right now two Wi-Fi networks are connected at same time. Dual Wi-Fi mode is on, so which is a really interesting feature. Most of the users should know this kind of option in the phones. And if you go to additional settings, you will have this kind of option Wi-Fi directly and VPS connection, VPS pin connection as well, so which is not found in the Poco X2 device. So if you know what is VPN, WPS connection and WPS pin connection, so in the Wi-Fi router there will be a button for the WPS. If you press that button, the Wi-Fi will be connected automatically to this Realme X1 Pro, so without entering the password as well. That's another thing which most of the users they may not be aware, but still it is present in the Realme X1 Pro device, and where in the Poco X3 that option is at the moment it's not present in this smartphone. So overall in terms of the signal strength, so right now let me try to quickly disable this dual Wi-Fi connection. So let me turn off the dual Wi-Fi connection, and now with the connectivity, Wi-Fi connectivity, as I said, I found the Realme phones are really strong and really good in terms of holding the signals very stable without any interrupting the speeds. So let me try to quickly show you the Wi-Fi signals of this using this application, comparing side by side. So let me try to show you, friends, right now. So right now by using this application, I think we will be able to test the both phones speed. So first let me try to show you the Wi-Fi signal list, which phone is showing more number of signals, as you can see here. So the Realme X1 Pro right now it's detecting more, and you can see the decibels how much it is. So how much signal strength on each smartphone, how it's varying, as you can see here. So I'm trying to use this kind of speed test in this by using this both phones. So let me try to start the speed test in the Realme X7 Pro right now. So this is a ping value which is detected in the Realme X7 Pro, and my Wi-Fi connection is kind of a 55 Mbps. So let's see, 55.3, and it's maintaining consistently as well. So upload speeds slightly will be close to the 20 Mbps most of the time, but now it's 21 Mbps, as you can see here. So these are the results, and once this is done, I'll try to do on the Poco X3 as well. So let's see how much the Wi-Fi signals speed test will be there. Results here, 51, 52. So where the Realme phone, it did try to reach the 55.3 Mbps speeds, and upload speeds right now in the Poco X3 is slightly higher, 23, when you compare with the 21 Mbps. So this is a quick comparison, 53 versus 55, as you can see here, between both the smartphones. And for more this kind of comparison videos, make sure to follow me regularly. And that's it, friends. Overall, the Realme X1 Pro has a quite powerful Wi-Fi connection, and which has very good interesting features, dual Wi-Fi connection, and that is a really interesting features here. And one more thing is that both phones, they are having the Wi-Fi tethering option. So let me try to quickly show you here, portable Wi-Fi hotspot. So both are having this kind of Wi-Fi tethering, so that's another good thing if you want to use as a Wi-Fi as a hotspot as well. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.